Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, this is Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how I prepare this tasty, soft French brioche bread. It is easy to make and delicious. Just stay tuned. Brioche bread. It's a French bread, very easy to make. Just keep watching and you know how. So without further ado, let's get started. In here I have 500 grams of all-purpose flour. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Then I mix them very well. Now set it aside. In another bowl, I'm going to crack in 4 medium-sized eggs. For the list of these ingredients, please check at the description box below, okay? Then I'll whisk the eggs. After that, I'm going to add the 60 ml of milk. To it, I'll add 60 grams of sugar, 10 grams of yeast, and mix them well. At this point, I'm going to add the flour mixture to the wet ingredients. With the help of my wooden spatula, I'm going to turn them until I have a shaggy dough. After that, I'm going to transfer the dough to the work surface. So now I'm going to start the kneading process. I'll continue until the wet and the dry ingredients are well incorporated. Now I'm going to add the butter. One thing you should know about brioche bread is that it needs more butter and eggs. And the aroma from this bread is super. I hope you will try it after watching this video. So I will continue kneading until I have a elastic dough. So now we have gotten our desired texture. To proof the dough, I'm going to transfer it into a dry, clean bowl. Grease it with cooking oil. Cover it with plastic wrap and transfer it to a warm environment. Leave it to cool for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Once it is double in size, we'll be right back. After proofing the dough, as you can see, it is now double in size. I'm going to punch out the air, transfer it to the work surface in order to shape the dough. So from here, keep watching me and see how I cut and shape the dough. May I use this opportunity to appreciate all of you that are watching this video. Thank you. God bless you. For my returning subscribers, you people are amazing. Without you, there will be nothing like Chiommy Creative Kitchen. You are so wonderful. I appreciate all of you, including you that is new here. This kitchen is where we share a lot of ideas, kitchen hacks and tips, baking and cooking, cake decorations, DIY tutorial, and many more. So after watching this video, consider to hit that subscription button and the notification bell. At the option, click all so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, share my videos with your friends and family, and God will bless you. Thank you so much once again. So as you can see, I have finished shaping the dough. I'm going to transfer it into a loaf pan. Grease it again with the cooking oil, cover it with the plastic wrap, then transfer it to a warm environment for second proofing for about 20 to 30 minutes. After the second proofing, I'm going to uncover the dough. Now prepare my egg wash. For the egg wash, I have 1 egg and I'm going to throw in 1 tablespoon of milk and give it a quick stir. Then I'm going to apply it to the bread dough with the help of my pastry brush. After that, I'm going to transfer it to the preheated oven and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade. 35 minutes later, as you can see, our brioche bread is beautifully baked and ready. I'm going to apply a little piece of butter to it and leave it to cool. I must tell you, the aroma of this bread is filling up everywhere. Even my neighbors noticed that something beautiful, delicious is baking in my kitchen. So I would like you to give it a try. This bread is soft, fluffy, and tasty. I must tell you, this bread is really delicious. It's very good for breakfast. I would like you to try this bread at home. I promise you will like to bake it more and more. So my beloved, if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. Tell me what you think at the comment section below. Till next time, stay healthy, eat healthy, and stay blessed. See you in my next video. Bye.